Good morning students. Today we discuss the section solutions. Solution as a mixture of solid in water. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components whose composition may gradually change by changing the relative amount of components. Simply the example is air. Air is example of homogeneous mixture. Then solution contains solute and solvent. The medium of dissolution that allow one or more component to dissolve in it is called a solvent, and the substance dissolved in a solvent to form solution is called a solute. So solution is a mixture of solute and a solvent. A solution which is made up of two components is called a binary solution. Solution which is made up of three components is called a ternary solution, and it is made up of four components, it is called a quaternary solution. So the solution is binary solution, ternary solution and a quaternary solution. Binary solution only composed of a solute and a solvent. Example, when a salt crystals dissolve in water form saline water, salt is classified as solute and water is classified as solvent. So saline water is example of binary solution. If the components exist in different physical state, that is solute and solvent exist in different physical state, then the solvent is of component exists the same phase as final solution. If the solute and solvent have a different state, then the solvent is that component which exists in the same phase as final solution. Which is final solution? That state is the state of solvent solution also. Example, if sugar dissolved in water, the final solution is a liquid solution. So water is a liquid, that is solvent is a liquid and sugar is a solute particle is a solid. If two substances are in same phase, the component that is in excess termed as solvent. If it is in a different state, then the final solution is in which state? That is the state of solvent also. If the two substances have same phase, then the component which is excess is termed as a solvent. A solution may formed by mixing of liquid with another liquid is called. Example, water and alcohol. A solid with liquid, example is a sugar solution or salt solution. A liquid in a gas is example of soda water. A solid with another solid is example is the alloys. A homogeneous solution of solid into another solid is called solid solution. Common metal alloys are solid solution. Homogeneous solution of solid into another solid is called solid solution. Generally alloys are solid solution. Example, gold. Gold is used for making jewelry. It is a solid solution containing gold and small quantities of copper and silver. So it is an example of solid solution. Then another example is brass. It is a solid solution which contains 70% copper and 30% zinc. So here copper it acts as a solvent and zinc is a solute. Then the solution is generally classified into homogeneous solution and heterogeneous solution. Heterogeneous mixture is in which the components have a proportion vary throughout the solution. Homogeneous mixture is a mixture which have a same composition throughout the solution. You already studied that. Then next section, a solution in which size of solute particle is 10 raised to minus 10 meter, it is called a true solution. In a true solution, the solute particles and solvent molecules cannot be distinguished under a microscope, such as the solution in which the size of solute particle is 10 raised to minus 10 meter, it is called a true solution. The main characteristics of true solution is it is a homogeneous mixture The solute particles are very small, about 10 raised to minus 10 meter. It is clear and transparent solution. It does not scatter light. Its components cannot be separated by filtration. The solute particle in a solution do not settle down. Such a solution is called a true solution. Then what is common solvent? A solution which is produced by dissolving substance in water is called the aqueous solution. It is not only solvent, also alcohol, petrol, ether, benzene, carbon disulfide, liquid ammonia, all are non-aqueous solvents. The solution which is made up of these non-aqueous liquids are called a non-aqueous solution. So the solution is a aqueous solution and a non-aqueous solution. If the solution made up of water, it is called aqueous solution. It is made up of other liquid solvents, it is called a non-aqueous solution. When the solvent is a alcohol, the solution is called a tincture solution. Tincture of iodine solution is a iodine mixed in a alcohol. Then the solution is a two type, dilute solution and a concentrated solution. Dilute solution, it is a solution in which amount of solute is less compared to mass of solvent, is called a dilute solution. Then concentrated solution is a solution in which amount of solute is more than for a given mass of solvent. This is about a different classification of solution. Next section we discuss in the next class. Thank you.